Hey Internet, here is the answer to CoinChanger question for your midterm for object-oriented programming. The questions are randomly selected from your tutorials, depending on your professor or lecturer, and depending on the university, of course. Some lecturers and professors choose to customize the midterm exam. Others choose random tutorial questions. It depends on who is teaching your course. If you are stuck, feel free to copy and paste the code. The code and the GitHub repo is in the pinned comment. Copy and paste the code to your favorite LLM or AI chatbot, and then ask it, how did this code solve the question? Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.